Hello guys and welcome back to another Mbox update. So on the RSI, as you can see, this line, this orange line I've previously explained is a very strong trend line. You can see that we had multiple support touch points here, multiple resistance here, and right now we just flipped that line as support again. On the price action, we are currently trading in an ascending triangle which could possibly finish to break to the upside and act as a reversal pattern. So what I will expect to go long on Mbox, I want a break, a retest here, and when we flip this area, possibly even with the EMA underneath it, when we flip it as support, it is good to enter a long position to ride the trend line to the upside, the reversal trend line. Until then, don't go long. We need to flip this area as support. So that's it, a quick update on Mbox. See you on the next one.